explain you the next paragraph. Tell me as soon as you have finished, said Chauncey, closing her eyes and lying white and still as a fallen statue. Then Chauncey, when that was Sue has told her, I want to complete in your room and please take a rest for a while so I could complete my picture. I want to deliver my picture by tomorrow, so you should take rest and you should not see outside of the window. Then Chauncey told her, tell me as soon as you have finished. Please tell me immediately when you finish your picture, said Chauncey, closing her eyes. She closed her eyes and she lay like a white because due to the pneumonia and hopeless, she was becoming pessimistic. Her face was white and still she was as still because she could not move due to her weakness, still as a fallen statue. She fell down. She fell like a lay there like a statue. Because I want to see the last one fall. I want to see when the last leaf will fall. I'm tired of waiting. I'm very tired. I'm feeling exhausted now. I'm very tired of waiting when the last leaf will be fallen. I am tired of thinking and I am very tired of thinking when it will fall. I want to turn loose my hold on everything and I am becoming weak minute by minute and every step, every minute, every seconds. I want to turn loose my hold on everything and I am just turning lose my hold on everything means I am just going to weak now and I can't do anything and go falling down, sailing down, and like my life journey is going to end just like one of those poor tired leaves. It was just like I'm just sailing down, I'm just becoming weak, and my life is going to be end like the old tired leaves are there. I'm also tired like the leaves, like the tired leaves are just going to drop what fallen down from the creeper that was plant. Try to sleep, said Sue. Sue again told her, try to sleep. I must call Behrman up to be my model for the old hermit miner and try to sleep. Sue was just thinking, I should call to Behrman. Behrman, who is Behrman? Behrman is an old painter. He was old. Behrman was a painter who lived on the ground floor of their building, and he was also the what he was learning those young artists, these two young artists, he was free of cost, he was just learning how to paint and what so he was also like a protector of and protector of these girls, and what he loved both of these girls. Old Behrman, so try to sleep, said Sue. I must call Behrman up to be my model for the old hermit miner. I want to call her, and what Behrman will definitely help us. And hermit miner means he is always, hermit means that is the person who always what always lives away from others, that is called hermit, and miner is called who is working in the mines, like coal mines are there and that was they are digging the mines, they are called the miner. I will not be gone a minute. I will not be gone a minute. I will not take too much time. Within a minute, I will be come back. I am going to call Behrman. Don't try to move till I come back. And she told, you should take rest. I am going to call Behrman. And you should not move. I will come back in a minute. I will not take too much time. Don't try to move until I come back. I am just going, I will come back soon. Old Behrman was now description of Behrman. The author has explained here the description of the Behrman, who was a painter. Old Behrman was a painter who lived on the ground floor of their building. Sue and Chauncey lived on the third story of the building, but the Behrman was what lived where he lived on the ground floor of that building. He was past 60. His age was 60 years and he passed 60 years old and had a Moses. Moses is the name of the prophet. His beard was like Moses. Very long beard was there, curling down and curl. The style was there, curl down from the head along with the body of an imp. Imp is called the small and very that was short. small man. He was a height is his height was small and his beard was too long like a Moses. Berman was a failure in art. He was what failed in art, and he had always been about to paint a masterpiece because when the his age was he was too aged, and he was very old age person artist, and even that in his life he had always been about to paint a masterpiece, but he never painted his masterpiece, but had never yet begun it. Even that he never began to paint the masterpiece. Berman was an unsuccessful artist. In his 40 years as a painter, he had failed and worked miserably at even sketching the outline of the masterpiece that he so dearly wished to paint. So Behrman earned money by posing a model that was like the young artist who could not afford to hire professional model, but he always helped to the young artist. And after that, what happened there? He had always been about to paint a masterpiece, but he had never painted. Even that he never started to paint any masterpiece. He earned a little by serving as a model to those young artists in town who could not pay the price of a professional. So he always what learn and what the Berman always what he earned money by posing a model for the young artist and who could not afford to hire professional model. He always helped to young artists. He drank what the gain in excess. Gain is called alcohol. He was drinking too much. He was what the he drinking too much and continued to talk of his coming masterpiece. He often talking about his masterpiece, coming masterpiece. He definitely what a painter masterpiece, but he was talking only. He never. So in his unsuccess, he was what started to what drink and excess drinking he was doing. For the rest, he was a fierce little old man. Even that he was a very fierce, aggressive, old, cruel man who scoffed. Scoffed is called to taunt terribly at softness in anyone. And what he was doing, he was a excess drinker, and though is generally rude, he feels high protective of Sue and John C. who live in the studio above him. So what he was, so almost he has a smell of the alcohol. And every time he was just what drinking, and he drink excessively. Who scoffed terribly at softness in anyone who regarded himself as specially a special mastiff in waiting. Mastiff is called that was who protects anyone. He was protecting to whom? Because he loved the two artists who lived in the what third floor, third story of the building, and he always become very protected. And what he was, he feels high protected of Sue and John C. who live in the studio above him, although he smells of alcohol all the time. He appears to be a good natured man who always speaks of his coming masterpiece and what he always protect to his two young artists in the studio who lived above the building. Sue found Berman smelling strongly of Paris in his dimly lighted den below. Den is called the small room. It was like a den. Sue found Berman where he was smelling strongly of Barry. Barry means alcohol. He was smelt always, and every time there was smell of alcohols in his mouth and his dimly light. The condition of the room was there was a dim light in his small room. In one corner was blank canvas. What was the situation of the room? What was here? The author has given the description of the Berman room. In one corner was a blank canvas. Canvas ko easel was there, where what that the painter is using to paint the. They are just applying the poster there to that is called the canvas. On an easel is called that was the wooden that was frame is there that had been waiting there for 25 years to receive the first stroke. Stroke is called the moment, and that easel is waiting to. First stroke means masterpiece. He is waiting. Easel is also waiting for the 25 years. It was what keeping in the corner, in the one corner, and canvas was also but waiting for the what for the that was Berman masterpiece first stroke of the masterpiece. First stroke is called the moment when he will start to brush the paint the word masterpiece. She told him of Jonesy's fancy called the imagination. She told Behrman about the Jonesy condition, the imagination, and how she feared she would indeed light and fragile as a leaf herself. She told everything. She was fearful. She would indeed means in fact, light and fragile. She was becoming weak as a leaf herself. She was just thinking the leaf is very weak, and she is also considering herself that like a leaf, she will also there will be the end of life, float away. When her slight hold upon the word grew weaker, it was looking that her hold the word is grew weaker, like that verse, if the last leaf will be fall down. Old Behrman with his red eyes plainly streaming. He was firstly what was he was becoming very aggressive to listen all these things, and what plainly streaming what he has just told shouted his contempt. With his efforts he cried for such idiotic imaginings. What he has told, this is the idiotic. Idiotic means foolishness. These are only the foolish imaginings are there made by the Jonesy. He cried, is there people in the world who admit their foolishness to die because leaves they drop off from a vine? He cried, is there any people in the world who are just admit me who are accepting that their foolishness to die and the connection between the leaves and their lives? There, when the drop of wine, that was wine of the leaves will be dropped and their life will be ended. Is there any people who accept all this foolishness? I haven't heard of such a thing. I have never listened these foolishness in my life. No, I will not pose as a model for you, fool hermit. I will not. He denied to, but pose means make a model for you, fool hermit. He has just denied to paint a what any model. Why do you allow Dot silly business to come in the brain of hers? Why do you allow? Why you have just allowed her silly business means silly work, this foolishness to come in the brain of hers? How she has just created this foolishness in her mind? Ah, Dot, poor little Miss Jonesy. She is very poor. She is very poor. Poor means she is very. I'm just thinking about her miserable condition and the weak condition. She is very poor little Jonesy. But she is just what she is thinking about. She is thinking about that she is just going to lose her life when the last leaf will be fallen down. How you can just make this type of the imagination in your mind? He is just thinking about the Jonesy condition.